Hello and namaste everyone. I'm Dr. Reena Jain, naturopathic nutritionist specialized in cancer nutrition. And today I'm going to show you how to do a hot foot bath. This is simple yet powerful hydrotherapy technique which can help you with a variety of health issues. So let's get started.
For a hot foot bath: big bucket, 1 small bucket, 1 chair, 1 woolen blanket, 1 common cloth, 1 size 50-40 plastic cover, 1 small napkin wet, 1 mug, 1 jug of hot water, a temperature 107 degrees F to 117 degrees F, thermometer cold water. First, fill the big bucket with warm water. The water should be as warm as is tolerable for the patient, typically starting between 88 degrees F and 90 degrees 1. Make sure the water level is just below the knees. Have the patient sit on a chair with their feet submerged in the bucket of warm water. To maintain the water temperature, you can periodically add hot water. To do this safely, remove a mugful of water from the bucket before adding more hot water. Next, wrap a cotton cloth around the patient's legs and cover them with a woolen blanket. Ensure the bucket is also covered by the blanket to retain heat. Place a wet napkin on the patient's head and frequently pour cold water on it to keep it cool. The patient should drink 1-2 glasses of water before starting the treatment. Gradually increase the water temperature to between 104 degrees 1 and 112 degrees F. The treatment should last for about 15-20 minutes. In summer, perspiration occurs quickly, but in winter, it might take longer for weaker patients. The duration can be reduced to 10 minutes. Now let's talk about the benefits of a hot foot bath. This treatment helps with headaches, neuralgia, acute and chronic cold, insomnia, asthma, acute and chronic bronchitis, malaria, coldness of hands and feet, tonsillitis, ear, eye and toothaches, hoarseness, whooping cough, pneumonia, swelling in liver and stomach, skin diseases, gout, acute rheumatism, leg and knee pain, diphtheria, swelling in uterus. When your feet are in hot water, blood capillaries expand, increasing blood flow to the legs and reducing excess blood in the upper body. This helps relieve swelling, hardness, and congestion. The increased circulation throughout the body also promotes detoxification, as sweat pores open, expelling toxins. This treatment is especially effective before bed to relieve head warmth, improve foot warmth, enhance blood circulation, and promote sound sleep after the treatment. The patient should take a cold shower to close the pores and finish with a feeling of refreshment.
I hope this guide helps you understand how to do this hydrotherapy technique which has very health benefits. If you have any question, please ask in comments. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.